Hey everyone, it's Bob again. Doesn't look like there's anything going out, so we're just going to take this load of sand up to Salt Lake and we'll get it unloaded. Hopefully he'll be able to come up with stuff that'll keep me busy till the weekend. So we got all unloaded up here, and we're gonna head back down to Springville, see if he comes up with anything for me to do for the rest of the day. The inversion's really thick, but we are getting a little bit of flurrying out of this, but nothing's accumulating. So we did have that bad wreck on our way up. Well, they went off that side and brought it back. Apparently it was a double fatality. The truck flipped over and a car in the middle of the night didn't see it and ran into it. I guess it killed a couple of girls, but this was almost 12 hours later and they were still cleaning it up. So that's kind of a bad deal. But anyway, we'll head back down and see what happens from there. Okay, we just got home and he's got me lined up to go deliver, to go load a load tomorrow, so we'll get ready and do that. Okay, this is a trick I learned growing up. If you get on a slippery surface, throw down some ashes. We always had a coal furnace, and coal ashes work really good, but wood will do just as good. But you throw it down and you get good traction all the way up, so I was able to park. But yeah, I only made the drives only made it to about there, because it may not look it, but that is kind of steep. Along with cleaning the garage, we're also working on filling in the areas above the door. I never did that before, and we're going to finish the ceiling. I want to get this garage painted. And so over the big door, we also got that filled in. Got a lot of that junk cleared out there. Still a lot more to go. But this side, actually, we got that cleared up quite a bit. All my woodworking stuff's over there. Okay, we ended up getting it all back in. Got the wheels back on it. And apparently, while I was gone, he put it on the KSL classifieds. And somebody wants to buy it for $300, so hopefully they'll come by and get it, and we'll end that chapter on this car. We got to go up and load a load up at SME. It's been a while since we've been up there, so this could be fun. I hope some of the guys that were there before are still there, because they were fun to go to. So we'll head up that way. Yeah!
Where have you been?
So I can remember you. I haven't seen you in forever.
Where have you been?
Everywhere. Except here. It's not sticking, but it sure is a wet snow. I'm drenched. Anyway, we got it all loaded and tied down. We'll scale it and then we'll drop it out on the back driveway, and Jared will be able to pick it up. He'll be able to pick it up on Monday when he heads out. We got that one loaded, dropped, and ready to go. I was only grossing 60,000 pounds. That was a nice light load. So we'll head back and see what else he comes up with. With nothing else to do for the rest of the weekend, we'll just work on some projects that I've got, and we'll see what he ends up for next week, and we'll do it again. So that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.